Assalamu alaikum students, this is the fifth video of exercise 3.4. In this video I will solve question number 2. Statement of question number 2 is a gas is expanding according to law P into V raised to power n is equal to C. Find C when P is equal to 80, V is equal to 3.1 and n is equal to 5/4. Now its solution is the relation which is given is P V raised to power n is equal to C. Take log on both sides. We get log P V raised to power n is equal to log C. Log P plus log V raised to power n is equal to log C, which can also be written as log C is equal to log P plus n log V. Now putting the values, we get log C is equal to log P is equal to 80 plus n 5/4 into log V, which is 3.1. Now solving this, we get log 80 is equal to 1.9031 plus 5/4 log 3.1, which is 0.4914. Now multiplying this answer with 5 and dividing it with 4, we get 1.9031 plus 0.6142. Adding this answer to 1.9031, we get log C is equal to 2.5173. Now take antilog on both sides. We get C is equal to antilog 2.5173, which is shift log answer is equal to C is equal to 329.0 units. That's all.